What is up, you guys? So in today's video I am going to be making some spinach turkey burgers. What you will need is some ground turkey breast. This one is actually really lean, so I'm actually going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil into this so it'll be juicy and not dry. And also you're going to need 1 egg. I just have a bag of raw spinach. I'm going to saute this and get all the liquid and everything else from that, and then also finally chop it. As far as seasonings, I'm going to use just some seasoned salt, basil, oregano, and some black pepper. And a huge part of me wants to use like a little pinch of chili powder, but I don't know, I'm not 100% sure. So yeah, those are the ingredients that you need for this. And I'm going to go ahead and saute spinach and mix all of this together in this mixing bowl. And then I'm going to form the patties, and I'm going to cook it in this non-stick skillet. I was thinking about using my cast iron grill pan, but honestly I do not feel like cleaning it afterwards. It's just way too much work. Yes, I'm being lazy. Maybe next time I do a burger I'll do it on a grill pan, but I'm going to keep it simple and do it in this, and I'll be right back once the patties are in the skillet. Okay, so really quick, I also wanted to tell you guys that I did take 2 cloves of garlic and I just minced them into the bowl. So yeah, don't forget you're gonna need 2 cloves of garlic. Alright you guys, so this is how the spinach looks. I just cooked a little bit of spinach. Now like I said, I'm gonna chop it up and then soak any moisture out. I do not like tons of cooked spinach, so if you want to use more, by all means go ahead. And by the way, I only have 1 pound of ground turkey breast in my mixing bowl over there, so I'm gonna let this wilt down for like 30 more seconds, and then I'm gonna take it out and do it again. And by the way, I did not season this with any salt or pepper. I'm trying to keep this as healthy as possible, so yeah. Go ahead and finish this step, and I'm going to mix everything together and show you guys what the breast looks like. Okay, so as you guys can see, I got 4 perfect sized patties out of that pound of ground turkey, and I put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Let's use extra virgin olive oil. I put it into the skillet. I have it on medium-low heat, and I just want to let those cook. I'm not going to move them until about like a couple minutes. I'm going to try to do probably about 5 to 6 minutes per side, or until they're just like cooked through. I really don't like slimy my meat. It's just when you see that the juice is running clear, or you want to use a meat thermometer, whatever you're more comfortable with, you can tell that to them. Also, like press it down on the patty a little. You can tell that it's done or not, like by the firmness. So yep, that is how they look. They look really good so far. So hopefully they stay looking like that, and I'm just going to flip them in about 3 minutes or so, or until I feel like they need to be flipped. So, yeah. So while these are cooking, I'm going to chop a red onion and start getting my bun out. So I really want to cook my bun. And yeah. Also, it was one thing. So I do have 4 burgers, and so if you have like a family, obviously you can feed your whole entire family, but for me, I'm probably going to freeze 2 of these patties, and I'm going to eat one tonight, and then the other one I'll just eat tomorrow for dinner or lunch or something. But yeah, don't worry about trying to sit there and figure out what you're going to do with all the food. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Enough rambling. I'm going to let these cook, and I'll be right back to show you guys what they look like once I cook them up. Alright you guys, so this is how these spinach turkey burgers are looking once I flip them over. It has a nice crust on them. I did add a little bit more olive oil because I don't want them to dry out or anything. I'm just going to press down a little bit on these. Not too much, but just enough. So yeah, that is how they look right now, and I'm going to just give them about 3 minutes on this side. And yeah, I'm going to plate them up, and I'm going to show you guys what they look like. Alright you guys, so this is what the spinach turkey burger look like after it's done. The patty looks really good. I put on some fresh red onions. And I also made some onion rings on the side. I toasted the bun. I just put a very basic burger topping, which is just some Miracle Whip. And I also melted a slice of mozzarella cheese. I'm gonna put the bun on top. And you guys, it looks really, really good. So I'm pretty sure we can that looks delicious. Who don't think that looked good? So you guys ready to cut this open? Or no? So yeah, that looks really, really delicious. I'm gonna cut it open and just see if it actually came out juicy. And if you guys are wondering what kind of bun this is, it is just the Meyer brand brioche buns. So yeah. Maybe I should cut this off of camera. Something I can hold it and do it at once. So yeah, I'm gonna cut this and then show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright you guys, so that is what the inside of the burger looks like. I think it came out really good. It doesn't have too much spinach. It's a nice crisp onion, a nice melted cheese, and a nice toasted bun, and some crispy onion rings on the side. So let's see if it actually looks juicy. I think basic. That looks moist enough to you guys. See, I see a few juices. It looks done, but let's taste it. That's really good. It actually is nice and moist. If you guys can see that, it's not dry at all. So yeah. Once again, you guys, this is a spinach turkey burger, and I topped it with mozzarella cheese, fresh red onions on a toasted brioche bun. That's got some onion rings on the side. If you guys are interested in this recipe, check it out. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know what other burger recipes you guys like to see in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.